Good morning, sir. My name is Bhuvan, and as a part of our EXEED presentation, I'm here to explain our presentation about the topic ambulance tracking system. These are my and our topic is ambulance tracking system, and these are my teammates. And my name is Bhuvan, and my roll number is 571. And in the next slide, I'm going to discuss about the topics that I have covered in this PPT about our topic and the parameters we took and uh, the corners we have visited that we have mentioned in this PPT. Topic covered. Problem statement, background of the illness. Topic covered. Um, Problem statement, solution to problem, uniqueness, conclusion. These are the four topics that important topics which we have covered in this PPT. In which in next slide we are going to discuss about the problem statement, about our topic, ambulance tracking system. What is the problem? Uh, what is the main drawback or disadvantage of our tracking system, ambulance tracking system, and what is the solution that we have proposed to that particular problem? And in case if there are any new problems occurred after the current solution, we may add new sensors or new solutions to the problem statement. Problem statement. Habit. It has been a. It is. Everyone knows that most populated countries like India, China, or etc. The traffic jams are very high, in which there is a so much risk of having uh, health damages because when the ambulance have to come to the particular position, while particular location that the patient is there, and then that has to take him to the nearby hospitals. So it is a very time, so it is very a time costing and a time wasting process in which there is a chance of there's a chance of patients dying in between the time. So these countries are among the worst affected by the traffic jam. The mortality rate of the patients who can be cured with one-time treatments is increasing annually, all because of rush hour traffic and unable to take the patients to the hospital in the required time frame. That as I already told you that due to the traffic jam, it cannot take the patients the right time to the hospital. It cannot reach the patients to the right time, or else it cannot take patients to the hospitals at right time. So in that case, the patient may in that case the patient may die. To avoid this problem, we have proposed some of the solutions. Our app can be installed in the ambulance of the Emergency Medical Service (EMS), provided along with keypad integration to monitor all important events like when the ambulance has started, reach the ignition location, time of arrival to hospital, and much more. The things that I have already mentioned, it contains the app contains pre-install ambulance. Our app contains these receivers which will locate where the ambulance is present at what time it will take, and our ambulance also has a keypad. Our ambulance also keypad integration that is useful for monitoring the patient's health conditions and used to monitor patient's health conditions. Uh, at the time of moving to the hospital. And may what is our and our ideas different from and what differentiates our idea from other ideas like other same other ideas other ideas. Actually, the American tracking system is already present, but there is a lot of drawbacks in it. And the our app is our idea is different from their ideas in the following some solutions that we have proposed. And also it is facilities primary treatment delivery even when patients is in the ambulance. This is the first idea or difference that is in between the ideas and our ideas in the ambulance tracking system. Some solutions for the problem statement are given below. For the nearest ambulance to patients, find the nearest ambulance to the patient's location. Locate the nearest hospital from the ambulance or from the location using Google Maps. Keep an integration to monitor all important events. And our app also contains, as I already mentioned, our app also contains direct communication with the hospital and the police control system, which is very helpful while in case of any solid traffic jams. And it also contains it works with the Google GPS, Google GPS interface in which to find the nearest to find the nearest routes and find the nearest routes and reach quickly to the hospital and reach quickly to the hospital. And this is the kind of our ambulance tracking system in which even in the mobile you can track where the ambulance is and what time it will take. And if in the plus mark indicates that the patient here the patient needs an emergency. So when you book an ambulance, you can check where the location and nearby ambulance will trace it and comes to you by selecting a quick path by selecting nearest or quick path and to you, which saves a lot of time which saves a lot of time for everyone when because we have to call to a particular hospital ambulance and the ambulance has to come and then it has to check the patient and then it has to take to the hospital. We with our idea we can avoid all those things and we can directly take them to the nearest hospital in which can save the life of a people. Proof of concept. This project is aimed at developing a mobile-based application or an app which has the information about the nearby the ambulance in the locality. Each ambulance has GPS in it and works with the help of a Google Maps. When we can trace or locate the nearby ambulance with our app with the GPS placed in it. Generally, the common problem for this kind of idea is location inaccuracy due to the GPS that we have placed in the GPS that we have placed in the ambulance and the GPS communication with the satellites. That is, it works as a triangulation method. This means that three satellites has to work together to determine the exact location of the object. So there is a chance of getting inaccuracy locations or inaccuracy location. To avoid this, we have proposed a solution. So we are purely concentrating on GPS part to work efficient with the app using Google Maps, in which the app is directly linked with the satellite, which is very helpful to locate where the ambulance is, and it is also a free cost, and it is a and our app is a free of cost, in which everyone can afford it. Uh, Value proposition. Ambulance booking entails several changes, some of them with direct impact on mobile activities. Real world conditions, fixed rate upon booking, data acquisition, execution from users, interpretation, the notation of context and the situation. Uniqueness of our solution. These are some unique features of our solution. That is features. And operator interface. First, we have to register and signing with the help of our email IDs, accessing location. User interface. First, retrieve. Can see or track the ambulance. Can see or track the ambulance which is nearby your location. Your train paradigms. Collaboration with the nearest hospital. The app is free for all. Uniqueness. Languages that are used to build our app is Python, Java, and database. That is to send the above two details to the hospital or doctor using GSM technology. Parameter are as follows: temperature, humidity, and heartbeat. ECG records the electrical signal from heart to check for the different heart conditions. Live tracking and status information of all available ambulance on a map, which helps for quick redirection of ambulance to a critical spot. Helps hospital authorizers to predict the arrival time of emergency cases and to do prior preparations. There are no longer the olden days where ambulance are called to come to a patient's location to take them to the hospital. Implementing this would save their lives as everything is it at the fingertips of a user who can track any ambulance from any location. Thank you. I am thankful to my sir who gave me this opportunity to present about our exit topic, and that is about ambulance tracking system, which is very useful for our society as well as everyone.